More. Fluffy! 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 Hi, stay right there. Zoom lens. You have to stay far. You're beautiful. Ouch! Okay, what else did you get?
Cucumber. I got lettuce. I got marigold.
Don't you have red marigold?
They didn't have that.
Okay.
I got onion.
Okay.
I got watermelon.
Watermelon.
They didn't have pointy cabbage, so I got this cabbage.
Okay, what else?
I got cantaloupe.
Oh, okay.
I got cosmos.
Oh, we got snapdragons last year, though.
I got this thing, and I got you, sweet pea.
Why did you get me sweet peas?
What is that supposed to? What does that matter?
Huh?
Why do you have to have a reason?
I don't know.
Hey, Jack.
Hey, how you doing?
The tomato cat. Today we're filming with a brand new lens. She's done. Hello.